If you want your skin to feel rejuvenated but don't have the luxury to go to the spa, a natural body scrub could be the right treatment for you. These types of body scrubs are different from other ready-made scrubs in the sense that they do not contain any synthetic or artificial ingredients. All the ingredients are found somewhere in your kitchen. With natural body scrubs, you can enjoy a luxurious skin treatment without having to book yourself for a spa appointment, and you get to save more than a few bucks. There are several natural body scrub recipes that you can do. Some of them can be applied to your face while others are designed for the body. Some are good for dry skin, while others are for oily skin. Indeed, natural body scrubs provide a wide array of options for several people that they can customize according to their skin needs and preferences. The following natural body scrubs gently exfoliate the upper layer of the skin where dust and pollution accumulate. They promote fresh and invigorated skin after each application. Furthermore, they can also be stored into jars for future use or can become ideal gifts. 1. White sugar is an ideal ingredient for a natural body scrub. Mix white sugar with almond or avocado oil. Since white sugar is more refined, it is safe for sensitive skin such as the face. 2. Brown sugar is more coarse, but with your preferred essential oil, it can be beautifully applied on the body, especially in the dark areas such as knees and elbows. Some people just love brown sugar body scrub experience as they feel much more as scrubbed out compared to white sugar. 3. Honey and white sugar combo. Honey has natural moisturizing properties, so it is perfect for dry skin. Simply form a paste from honey and white sugar and apply it to the body. 4. Coffee scrub is another scrub you'd want to explore. You can save the remaining coffee grains from your coffee maker for this purpose. Simply mix coffee grinds and coconut oil. You can also put in some chai herbs if you want it to smell like cinnamon. But as it is, you'll already feel the Starbucks experience as you apply your own coffee scrub all over your body. Coffee also has detoxifying properties which can help remove toxins. It also tightens pores which prevent blackheads and whiteheads. 5. Milk salt. You can either look for milk salt packages in your neighboring mall or you can do it yourself. Just mix skim milk powder or your favorite powdered milk, some fine salt, lotion and some oil of your preference. Scrub your body with your fine creation in the middle of a shower and experience an ever-glowing skin thereafter. Indeed, natural body scrubs are affordable and very easy to make. And in order to maximize the potential of your body scrub, here are some reminders. Apply the scrub before or during a shower. For facial scrubs such as the sugar and honey recipe, it is best to apply it on open pores to allow maximum absorption. You can do this by steaming your face first, apply the scrub and rinse with cold water to close the pores. For body scrubs such as the coffee recipe, apply it to the body and leave it for 2 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Avoid applying on the soles of your feet to avoid the risk of slipping in your bathroom. Just clean up your floor after using, as coffee residue may leave some messy stuff in your bathroom. You can also customize the use of essential oils according to your needs. Lavender oil is great for calming and relaxing the senses, while rosemary can help in energy stimulation. Apply natural body scrubs every now and then to feel more relaxed and revitalized. They are incredibly affordable skin treatments you shouldn't deprive yourself of.